Alright, this is going to be the other elevator. The other one, which was moderately entertaining. And, oh, it works. And this one actually has lights. Okay, this one smells weird though.
I don't care.
Alright, motor.
There's a spider in here.
Is there? This one has red lights. This thing is glorious.
I prefer not to be in a closet that is rusting.
Fat phone. Buttons.
Sneeze.
Bless you. Still takes a little bit of level. There it goes. And that, what the heck is that drop keyhole? What is that?
That's great.
That's it.